Yes, hello my big beautiful boy. Yes. It's been windy, hasn't it? Yeah, it's been really windy. You've been hanging out with Willow, haven't you? Yeah? You've been a little terror? It's a motorbike. Be nice. Be nice to Willow. Keeps doing this standover thing. She's so tiny. Little rat bag. He just wants to play. He's so gentle. Yeah, that's your Willow, isn't it? Yeah, apparently that's his widow. Yeah, she's telling you, mister. Yeah. So that's my little man. He is 16 weeks old today. Aren't you, mister? Yeah. He's my Australian Bloodhound puppy. Yes. 16 weeks old, my big boy. Yeah. You're just trying to get Willow to play with, aren't you? Eh? Yeah. Beautiful boy. He's such a good boy. And he absolutely loves Willow to bits. So this is little Willow, his little best friend. And she's a peekapoo. And she likes to tell him off and put him in his place. Well, she thinks he is. But he likes to stand all over her, like usual. Typical little puppy. Yeah, typical puppy.